In this session, we are going to take a look at the garage storage space which is located to the rear of the motorhome. Insert the key into the garage door handle, and let the handle pop out when it unlocks. Turn the handle left, 180 degrees to open. For this next section we are going to pay attention to the orientation of the keyhole. This is quite important to be wary of when locking the door. To close the garage door, turn the handle 180 degrees to the right. Note that for this handle, the keyhole is aligned along the length of the handle. If the keyhole is aligned along the length of the handle, you can press the handle inwards, and it will lock automatically. Whereas, the keyhole in this view is aligned along the length of the handle. If the keyhole is across the width of the handle, then the handle will not lock automatically when you press the handle inwards. This is important to know because if you have accidentally left the keys inside the garage, you may accidentally lock the garage door if the keyhole is along the length of the handle, and you press it into lock. Please note that it will be a chargeable request for a replacement key to be driven to you. So always be aware of the orientation of the keyhole to avoid any complications. One suggestion is to leave the keyhole along the width of the handle, so it can be locked when you need it to be.